Hi folks, I am back for a quick update. It's only going to be a quick one-off, but I've been doing some bits and pieces in between being really busy with the bands. So I'm going to show you what I've been doing. We're going to have a running session today, all new running session, so you'll see all the new bits and pieces that I've been doing. So I won't gibber on for long. Here we go. We'll start off with the running session, then I'll show you all the bits and pieces I've been doing over the last few weeks, almost months now. But I'll catch you later in the video. Right, a bit of a hint as to what's coming up in the video. I've had some of the flocks out, not all of it, just a few bits and pieces, various colours, textures, that sort of thing. And there's still a load more in the box down underneath there, but yeah. So let's show you what we've been doing. This corner you've seen in previous videos, I believe. I can't remember whether the portrait cabin's in the previous ones or not, but I've been flocking between the tracks over the back through here, getting some flocking done, and you'll see it again around the edge of the car park here, and put a fence in there. This bit is new this morning, so there's still wet PVA in here. But you can see there the flock is out, and we've been doing quite a bit there. So what else have we done? Well, I can't remember where we were up to be honest, on the last video, but the car park, you saw the steps before. I'm going to put a ticket machine in there for the car park, and the entrance to the car park is there. That'll be a customer car park. Pay the ticket machine, go over the footbridge to the station over at the back. So that's where we're up to on there. The car park is now fenced in, and as you may have seen earlier, I've done some more flock around here, and like I said earlier, the flock on this corner is still wet because that's been done this morning. So that's that area there now more or less finished really. So that's that little bit. Just another change to here was painting the board a different colour. It came out very blue on the videos. It still looks a little bit blue, but it's actually a very dark sort of dove grey now. But that's the car park there, signing on area for the yard and for engineers, that sort of thing. So the main bit of flockerage is actually all down the main yard here. I've put quite a bit in. Reminiscent really of like Bescott, Eastleigh, Didcot, those sort of areas where it's now unkept, unlike steam days, and weeds are growing up everywhere. Nobody really cares what it looks like, but it's functional. So the area here where the locos are stored, there's still weathering to be done on the actual track itself, i.e. where locos are stabled, and at the ends of the lines where locos would stand whilst waiting to depart the yard again, and that sort of thing. Along the edge here, I've just put a little strip of wood just along on here, just so it builds up a bit of an embankment to stop any stock falling off onto the floor. And again, masking tape and PVA, and then covered in flockage just along in there. So that's that area now. Again, I won't say finished because it still needs weathering down. It still needs probably toning in a bit more to blend the sleepers in, so it's all a little bit different, but that's still a job and a work in progress. And the final thing I've done is to put a signing on point for the locos, for the drivers. I've put a bit of fencing along here. I've got a driveway going in with some tyre marks in it. There's the main gate and the personal gate there, and then the porter cabin, and again signing on area. I don't know why my greys come out very blue on the video, but it is actually a very dark dove grey in this area here. So that's that. So overall look on the layout at the moment, I've gone as far as the door on the basic scenics. So working from the door backwards, it's coming on down now. It's starting to look more like a model railway than a train set. It's starting to look more as I envisaged it from the word go. The footbridge is all going away to Ian, a friend of mine, who's going to paint and weather it in the correct colours. So that will be done. And then coming on around, the yard around here now has got a lot more flock in between, and a lot of flock up and around the buffers and the area down the end there. So again, that area I'm going to call finished. So almost anyway. Right, let's have a final run of some trains, and that'll be it for this video. There we go. As I said, only short, but you've had a bit of a running session. I'll be back again shortly with some more videos. It won't be next week, but because I've got another few busy weeks coming up. Just to audition for another band, because our band actually finishes at Christmas time. But yeah, looking forward to getting back into this in the new year. Tomorrow, this is being filmed, where are we today? Monday. This is being filmed Monday. Tomorrow I'm going up to Kevin's for the day. He's done some alterations, so I'm looking forward to seeing that. So we might even have some updates on that as well in the near future. So in the meantime, thanks again for watching. Thanks again for all those that subscribed and put up with the big lull that we've had. And I will catch you all again soon. Happy modelling, stay safe everybody, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks now, bye.